Good day, Faith friends. Today is March 26, year 2022. And our Gospel for today is Luke chapter 18, verses 9 to 14. And I am Jillian, your Gospel share for today. Have you tried conversing with those who are full of themselves? Of course, they always talk about themselves, their accomplishment, their riches, things that they do, and it goes on and on, all about themselves. Honestly, we don't want to hear these self-serving words that only fed their egos. God would also prefer that we at all times became humble, to talk less and less about ourselves and our accomplishment, for the simple reason that He already knows everything about us. He would much prefer that we practice our faith, never worrying if others would notice it or not. In short, to do things for the greater glory of God and not to save our own glorification. Many of us are like the Pharisee in Gospel. We love to talk about ourselves and we love to boast about the things that we do. An inner renewal is for all of us that we would all become like the humble tax collector who gained the favor of God. We have to remember that the Lord always favored the humble as stated in the Gospel. Those who do not change whatever fame and fortune they may possess. They remain grounded. They never allow their sudden fame and fortune to go in their heads. They are well aware that whatever they have now is a gift from God and they must not brag about it. That's all. Thank you for listening and don't forget to like and subscribe to faithbook.ph.